menye preko na magwa tikim.
Okay.
So nyansani kasa na se bi agyimifuo ante ase a yetina no watene ye wagyimi bekoso agyimi nyansani bekoso ahu nyansa e se bi otafache record kakra ye na agyimi sem
uko date say
yes aye na agyimi sem obi obeyesa de bi odim nyansa
abusan bra panyin Wayoosi wabekasa elibati ahonjo a wonpe ene no se Wayoosi oba sunwie Wayoosi abekasa na oba reply tiktokers any NPP for na omo so parent after so because oh mahama se mahama kan say onko bi mu a ono Wayoosi obe demonstration atia mahama no obe kan say tiktokers for edi na dwuma Wayoosi so abai pro no kirem say obi a wodi atembia nsa bi bakro no ye fool only fools will insult him and so we obe kan dey abusia Wayoosi be mo ntire mu no akere wa adwen ama me e wo comment section ayi Penyah block media best wa say ni die obe like video no other about subscribe button some like click notification icon for latest updates some be chere wa adwen da mama e wo comment section best also baso no wa share video for so enya bi ahwe and the life of Wayoosi any mahama there is a connection between them if we said 2016 and Wayoosi ayare onya kidney infection am honom no na mahama any president in that time mahama e cost Wayoosi e man hospital bills no okay for that the medication okay for that every ho ana Wayoosi etunu si wose ne wada na mahama top fan ota mahama echi ewo mu onkomu ota na chi
na Ghana for no e fan ye hypocrite
Okay.
nya twem ekun Ghana for
Okay.
say ye ma asumasi de ye obenten de enye obaka ya 2016 me are serious binya kidney problem obi wuto de ba
Story na kra babonten I think that time we take FM ya
na sitting president John Dramani Mahama etimi atimase mo social media asuma then minister says Fushu Japan Elizabeth Fushu Japan
yeah
amana bam 8 semenya 5000 friend tutu me bills ni bi ni ade na mum sa omo antimi anhwame a oba fly me de bako abrocha kwakwa transplanter masa me da ho na me ho hwehwe ne ho kwa na me da papa na se de na mayama papa no benya hwema no en sabre no so na your president yenyane
nanado
satam no your flag bearer ma NPP
yeah
you be so no so ba ya it ka menye the same thing manana
ka be da no so ase
Ghana for a hypocrite titru ni asantime mo ayewo
okay
ase ndis ni ye bibi ma na wo de na se abuoi en yenti a wo se me election time so na me je na papa na obatie o tade we aya se mo ya me pese me ka ya na se me bufu
okay
obi ntimi ncheme da men na papa na se aseda na me na nwie tem bi baba sim tim bi se me na papa na se bi me da na se
yo ye yin nyina na nwie
debi aso me bu papa enen ka ti wa wona me kasa
debi
easy so we are the hospital president asoma
ami abehwe
what to bofo mo maba o ti me ko fie kura na wo sa ba fie be sa ba we se papa no so me we se ho to wa
tinye se bia ye sheda
sama ye di wie ne kan sem wie abufu e hye ne pa musansem o ya me pese meti
okay
say obi na to no dia ne komo ye okay na mo ho no ma na madafo bia fra me from kata say the sofu bi say na Wayoosi dia na waye yi amsa ada dia na waye yes wo kokoda John Mahama se na video wa ya ma no na papa ne se po ma so ba na so papa ne se bi utafu ate ne ma me baby oh yes
ene no ene sasem na obi kan obufu pa
ne ma me baby papa no so po ma asem na won timi hu ja no otimi agyim telephone number afra me kura chia me da
debi
o ya sofu o but me ko kan asem ma John Dramani Mahama no ya aboa se me kama na do dia nko yo okay
ene sa de bu hwa se fa na ye politics no
atai de papa na yamam na so mani asoma busuafo ni tem bia besimi ene kwa papa bia obi a olumai his excellency former president papa do yamam na so mani na waseda ne
enwo no ko declare the stand say Mahama ededi kwa wi ono Wayoosi be free politics mu onye politics bi he only did politics just to show gratitude to Mahama
no ko bo papa na ya seda
o show appreciation
I'm sure papa no
tamwa de bo
yes menya campaign ma party there bi
okay we
awie
Udi na chi.
Ebe mo papa no.
Nti wonu wi a wo so wi.
Ma wie.
Very well. Good.
Any party bi abi.
Yeah, wa ha.
Ti ebe se omo tutwi na.
It was in Muhammad there 5 and 6. Bia Muhammad jina bia no. Wayoosi age na hobby. Na Wayoosi American as man obusa na nsia mu. On say Muhammad third term agenda no. A backfire ko Muhammad aba na say ono ankasa on kobie but as e bi kura enyi ni. Enu mu ana Wayoosi ebe ye video a wo kire mu oh. Muhammad pa she there be o jai kura jai obeko for third term. So o ka say on go for third term come Wayoosi ma ye demonstration etia e wo Ghana ha no mo.
Papa Michelle, His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, you are John Dramani Kwame Mahama, Sabi Biu, Wakeke Waye, Oba Michelle. Papa Wadaruma, Umso Abeka, say, Unkobiu. Papa, Omani Sufro Biu. Papa, Omani here more. Papa, Omani Sufro Bill. Yes, you say you mean to me, Papa, the way we see woman, yes, so. Namia dom, when you're 2/3 of Parliament. Papa, Constitution at the house ye bay or ye bay review. And I say by amendment. Papa, you first have Konya way so. Papa, Nina amendment, next or 2 or so, another 4 years be my. Papa said you see woman, oh, you're coming come out to swim you. Yes, so. Oh, so work as own could be a dear. Papa, but who is state man? Omani nyina dadwin da so omani kan ko hian hwe na no AU submit ya muko yi papa hwase mo de koto ho no eye restriction visa restriction na friends America for their to Ghana papa wonu mo semti obo ye fi ho papa da wo ma yesrew papa yesrew munya amendment papa na sako another 4 years ma ye nese so man no kura audience na won ko bi ma ye hu se won ko bi papa yesrew papa e kura so waka na so wonwe papa yesrew sabre bi ma ye why papa sabre bi ma ye o mani hian papa o mani hian papa nyesa nye kakra no o man obi be demonstration o obi de be demonstration na demonstration ye no ye nye for bi ya se ye hian o tetem papa ye hian o tetem dan so ba tetem a ye se Ghana ahudwo baba asundwe baba omani be yiye papa minim so wadi atum pia
Emo ka asem ye na mo ka se wo de wo yesi ya ka no kan ko asem sebe o ya akoda ya botre mahama kasa ogokan no you and ho no no enya no ene sa ma Ghana US for my visa 5 years no na o ho dada eye ze hunu bi a abra kwabudi ye ene ma ye ho ye from 5 years to 3 months
na me komenu ma Wayoosi Osre yem president say on to be for the next 4 years.
On transfer for the next 4 years. I say I transfer for 4 years.
Say the term no 4 years we try na asa. Want me go be. But what just say on bomb dia no another term.
Say dentia.
Or say we fight me US visa restriction every Ghana.
School dia. You see?
I say president nanum kasa.
We why?
Speech or come out UN no.
Enema.
Ema.
Say because school dia wan ko bia on. School dia wan ko bia on.
Into Osreno pa. O say no dream Ghana nko so ho. Nti Osreno. Yes a demonstration. Anya sem keso awo.
One
no. School
they want to be after they do pempen so be a man some way and yet disrespect and a person may disrespect you but then again sa US ban now more year free Ghana so na sa and yet president no mukasa as it stands now I foreign affairs ministry sent to me Emma out Emma say some come we ntina masa de nefio after that day omuntimi ma out me chey. Secondly, when Mr. Ghana accepted say deportees on the free US Lebanon, Ghana yeah, what I said. So it could be a agreement, no. And the man okay, so say a Jew and you also sad no. It could be because it could be. Said one of us today, I called him Castle, and I mean Tabua got to see. I say niche.
O chese oye adwumani ono na wakokasa wakokasemu ama omwe free so nti so ambo modian se samra no want na so for the third time dia demonstration pia atasa me da say
this year 5 years ni be ma this is not any big deal any achievement bia na wo ho dada ana mo be ye mistake eno be hwan ye eno mo say hu mo ba ko pa achew eno mo say ko 5 years the same thing it jaro ke kano ema media no so be clash with Wayoosi
wo say kwadu ayaka so what you say nipa pupurupu what you say me hwa say de wo nipa dua sitie say anu adwen tie nipa pupurupu tantan kwase ei enkeka jimisam na obenya atamfo mate say o mo say odo kwase ane nam say jomama oi chen kwa me nkunuma meti ase yese kom de wona dwon mama kwase na ba o ma usika e ma de to aduani di bat me sew Ghana for pe movie Ghana for pe wasem de wo ye no wo yesa obi abehun se won wagimi won enti fa ne se nurse ni bia ono no yentua ne ka wan ya na 10 months na what ho sun abira dwon mama kwase na promise no less than a year ago say yento abama no obape obemeki so obetua nurse fo nyina aka na susu ampa dwon mama kwase ya ko high private jet air fly the whole world ti ya mecho no abira kwase aba na odi na chi no ntena private jet mu dawo and so that we are mo high private jet the whole world cause an yare e blow over $50 million na susuan pass an as for to one of ti say Wayoosi would Jimmy kan kwase asem say ya obo say na afi no obi atan kwa ntimi sira sika no me mo anche se be Jimmy na fa atanfo won ya meche no we doma hemfa pa na kwa me nkroma wi a o man ya japade ma ni nua bi ni wi ase kwa me nkroma ne ma ne na busuanfo nyina ne nam Ghana o na so ti atakwa me dem doma ma wa wi a Ghana Boxer Limited ama ni nua Ibrahim mama kwase mpanyi tani kwase ano ama or this can you to talk as the aka high private jet no the show of Ghana Boxer Limited no ni nyina Ibrahim mama and the control sikani nyina kwa mo esi a o san se okowia black voter aka no kwase akwa me nkroma wi bibi da bi NPP NDC fo ina ya kromfo no ma wi o manya pade atonton bibi agbo motom
na busia Wayoosi aba back awo chire mu a obi biala wo na te bia ne sebi ni pa ko odi mu nyansa
na juma His Excellency John Dramani kwa mahama ebo
You've been trending. Oh, trendy or social media, no super. Among those who do a temper, what? Omudina temper was a trendy pa. So, Oko can say, one do Kubinya and yes, and one of Okai, one for Bianca.
There be so should we do my one, Mecana speaker, dear Jen say,
Omo Yopa.
Menya preko na magwa tichim.
Okay.
Ntiti de mama no. Me obi a someone no betia nipa da sani ya na edene. Na de minim ne wa brabo mu ne se so nyansani kasa na se sabi o agyimifuo antiase a ye tena no wateni.
Ebe no bulisa no.
So nyansani kasa na se sabi o agyimifuo antiase a yetina no
but so mofa camera mofa
ufi wanwe ampa
ai
ufi wanwe
titi ye wajimi bokoso wajimi yansani bokoso hu nyansa
okay
na ohwebu abrabo nso a omo bibidie no asam na tise kura na okana no tum
Prince.
Kontanzo wanwe
Prince, we sika Prince.
Ene dede.
Baby na Prince no. Prince na o kasa we disia na kasa.
Ti titi a mudi free mu fie eno kura na nche no eche zuban ye kura mo che be me be waro mo so ba be waro mo no eche da chi ebufuo ba ni sai ni pa kuro no de be yo
ufi kontanzo wanwe ampa
akasa wi pia
kontanzo
na producer so mi so say die ntina wo kan ye wo kan no
na juma His Excellency John Dramani kwa mahama ebo aso bi eni timeka wo ya matwetwu ye sabio tafache loko deti kaka ye na ye jimisem
uko deti say
yes aye na ye jimisem obi obeye sa de bi odim nyansa sana mekano
ade
wo de all right so wo party on wo de all right se wo party obi ko party video na wo de ana wo we ko nya dai wo mna wo hono mana aye nkwasiasam kika Memi to no me papa ma NPP ama na me nya hwe ma ma na oba na ko no enu kana ma for games o use o NDC na me ko NDC ka me mra wuni me ko wo o da aye Ghana for bi nya san timi sam ne kasa no kura
I understand you but you
don't nya san kasa no kura
the words you are using no na make us it
NDC no your friends o mali
e wala beria
e Wagadugu
e wo Ghana ya
ayo munya san timi kasa no also for the senate current president choose the bra me inauguration as 2% anini Just obi no party dia wo okay. Obi nya san jibi sam na emfata wo kwa. Yo. Ayi nyina so ntim ko baby bako ama ne nye. Me abusia me film no. Me ndom do na wo ndi NPP. But me share say dia papa ne ye ba me nya papa ne boni ayeda. Ana me ma bo na campaign na wo ye me mo na mane nye. Ya wo mitumi ho na me twa. Wo de sika twa me se ya. Me mo jana ba blue ni white kan wo na. Wunya sengro sengro.
Benase.
Na we ne nsam ni bia amanfo ka kire Wayoosi ansa na obedi wo matem.
Wayoosi. Ohu se kodusin wate. Ohu se kodusini 3 feet ni pa etese wo. Wo 3 feet ni pa etese wo Wayoosi. Wo se de yi. Wo na Wayoosi wo se de yi no. Oba kokora amramo no mechew bebrebe enso hweme na yede mi gina ho ne yede wo Wayoosi gina ho a what's when you're 80 years? Who's will be on 80 years? Wayoosi. Could do snibby at some. Yamma Mahama and another 4 years. Beam. What dreaming ya Jumao? And I'm so when crown son the goo we are fluenty. And crown son the goo ya fluenty. Just a Mahama in near Emma Uyadi Mahama near Mosika and my wode at the Cosa Huyadi. Would you crow ya hunto? Go. What buck or cram on Wayoosi? Yamma Mahama and cough another 4 years in you. Or pa one tempting shady and the Kubums in Nipa, Ganha, said the enemy blog and Ekan. I see a me. Who's a crubum crazy passo? So no, I tell a friend crubum cono. Wayoosi, who's a crubum crazy passo? What buck or cram mono, a jacko crown is so, a jacko, none bannon, a jacko cry a branch a chair Wayoosi. A 3.5 feet at so. What sataria, what material, 1 yard the crenu, and I the pomatalisha. Pabwa shall a cancer and crampabwa. It won't Jimmy 7 albeka. Oh, I don't bonise some industry no a gono. Some movie industry no good. I don't bonise. What I say, and unti and Yamian for Quemwa. I don't bonise yet and Yamian for Quemwa, Cowton and Monsier. Because I succored the matter so try again. I will be young man in court another 4 years. I see agyimifuo Wayoosi say, I say, I can say, baby car free. I see I will buy one or stay or that's such a form or you to win say how is it your school fees? I see I'm paying. We say, who's a crubum quay is it pass Wayoosi for 3 feet in the pet so. A 4 feet crown. Osha 31. A boa obigno yep any peck as house about bigno nipa friend so over kikan kwa sesame. O free at Tissa Wayoosi. Would you ever kick us uncle sesame bium now? Would you ever catch on sickle near Tissa? Sickle at Tissa. Why, yes, sickle now, number we own. As I say, me, who almost Casa called to me Casa. The so who's a crubble crazy passo, crubble crazy passo, so in my metro at a biabina, idea about woman near Pusan saying is sooner attending nature, who is an out here. Or you see a buck of crammono. Who's will be on your 90 years? When you dress will be on your 90 years, Wayoosi. As me tell Penyah, oh, me tell Pigri, man choke, I'm a chobe, at 10 years. As Yabi Jambeki can pass, some say, Annie, your mamma hammer, said the papa, said the we see room, I wanted the old man you going to one idiot because all your mobidi. Mr. Most selfish interest in tea, and now, no more don't bonitina in movie industry, no guno. I don't bonise yantin a guno, and I say, what twapete, and my bubasa. I will name who say I can't say we, Janini. Say, Annie, ye said you see room, who 2/3 of parliament in Tiaman, Yaman Mahaman's uncle, another 4 years. Kofa wouldn't know see Wayoosi, Kofa wouldn't know see. Wouldn't know see no bush for, now one can change the constitution, Nanka Mahama, a Kubums and Nipo Kruma. Need trust Wayoosi.
Abusia for me a video ya da simrani amati ente hu
Papa Michel, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, you are John Dramani Kwame Mahama. sabe bio wakeke wayeye oba echiao papa wadaroma ewumso obeka se unko bio papa omani sufra bio papa omani hia wo moa papa omani sufra be yesu se yemu yentimi nka papa the way we see wu omani yesrew
Bobo Wayoosi. Bobo Wayoosi. Eyawo, una sebi previous, wunya kidney failure. Ena John Mahama di ni sika boa o she o ma no ho to wo. Eyawo na wafe John Mahama aka. Eyawo, una woni Kumawood stars ni bi. Muni madi among koska muni politics na muni amemu nti. Mudi mo time ne mo mre na madaje na to ye campaign ma John Mahama. Ebetina so na Wayoosi wonya sika edi akosi hotel edi enya wudidi bi hwa wo yele na wo maka na Ghana ni bie ni hɔ a wafe John Mahama amemo kanka e bi na amemo John Mahama ebui junso amemo padi amemo etu amemo yi fake certificate amemo John Mahama ebui na wo se Ghana fo osu frɛ no hwa mo na esu frɛ no hwa na esu frɛ John Mahama she I double track system and na ku for the buy me hu video bia ma me bi su bob blam ma baby o matam ne bade na koto o masa akoye ni day Mahama wa bon ndc fo abon mu ni ma de nya obi obeka se Mahama memo obu ekoye man bia na se nipa na wa bon no wa nko school na woni ma de ebi ti se wo Wayoosi enam say we are short in sana me yes sure say wa adwin so tie wa adwin yes short and this time around yan pene ma muntu futu ongu ya ma me ni mani o yan pene ma muntu futu ongu Ghana fo ani yan pene ma muntu futu ongu kwala na bet na ewo ma adwuma na Mahama 4 years no bebu ya no munye hu Mahama memu no this time around yan pene Wayoosi etu obi no wo su Fred John Mahama wa bon woni mu she galamsa
Ita busia media no so dia Wayoosi asa beto twede kan wa asa beto another twede na minim se minu amo TikTok NPP branch o me ba be reply Wayoosi kon kan kwasi asem o ba be reply no kire wa je ma be e wo comment section aha Penyah media agra